Hey guys, it's Shandera. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. Today's video, we will be trying this amazing mask. You guys see that? Look at all those whiteheads. Oh my God, I'm excited. Oh, look at them. Oh my God, they are coming off. Look at them, they dangling again. Oh my God, they are literally pulling. Oh my God. So here's the mask. It's called the Dr. Sugarm or Sugarm. Is it Sugarm or Sugarm? Dr. Sugarm? Sugarm? It's the green tea cleansing mask, and it's deep cleansing, moisturizing, remove acne, remove blackheads, and it contains plant green tea ingredients and moringa seed extract. So this is what the product looks like. Can you guys see? It's a beautiful green. Oh my God. It doesn't look thick like the video though, and I didn't get a lot of product. Oh wow. Oh my God. It's not looking green, deep green like the video. Someone gonna say I got the botched fake product, and no, this is authentic. I'm tired of you guys telling me I get the fake stuff. This is authentic. Oh, it's in my eye. Did it get in my eye? Oh, I was so scared. Oh my God, it almost got in my eye, you guys. I'm not getting a lot of product for 40 grams. I'm kind of mad. Why is this like literally, you guys, my head is really big and I'm almost done with this product. Like, why? Why? So you guys, I applied the mask to my face. This is what it looks like. Now, it's not giving off that deep green color. So I'm really curious, is the gunk gonna come out? I'm really confused. Like, why isn't it really, when I turned the light down, it looks a little bit green. Let me do a close-up. Look at my breakout. It's coming up to the surface now. Come through, Dr. Sugarm mask. Y'all see my breakout? I'll give it. It's looking the color not as deep, but I'm gonna give it to it. We'll let it dry. Let me see how long it takes to dry. So I looked up how long the mask is gonna take. So I'm gonna just read it to y'all word from word. Step 3 says, after becoming mask in 15 to 25 minutes, rip out it from below and finally rinse with water. Now, let's say I started selling something and I said that y'all would have an issue talking about my grammar. Y'all love to talk about my grammar over here, but it's okay for them to sell me a mask with the directions like that, and y'all would make every excuse for them. But when it comes to me, all y'all would drag me for filth. I cannot. And they probably make way more money than me. You know they stacking up the millions with the botched English, but I mean, apparently it's not okay for me. I need to start keeping the same energy for these companies in China who is selling us and making millions, okay? That you keep a broke Shandera. So the mask is dry. It's still not that green color, but look at my nose. Can you guys see, like, the whiteheads are literally lifting? So I'm really excited to pull it off. I had a whitehead like somewhere over here. And it's literally coming off. So I'm actually, oh, it hurts. Oh my God, is it ripping my egg? It hurts so much. Let me get the other side. I need to take a break. Oh my God, did I do it? I never put them on correctly. Oh my God, it's red. Okay, so here's a close-up. Y'all see, I really am not seeing whiteheads pull. Can y'all see any whiteheads pulling? I mean, we coming on some hurting areas, so I'm gonna try to not scream at the camera and just like pull. Can y'all see any white thing pulling? I hear, but I don't really see. Can y'all hear it? Oh my God, it sounds like snap, crackle, and pop. Oh, it is killing me. Oh, can y'all see? Is that white stuff? That is. Can you guys see the white stuff? Oh, it is literally pulling. Look at it. It's pulling the. Oh, I am shocked. My nose does look better too. Oh my God. Oh my God. I got it on my eye. Okay, you guys, so y'all see the white stuff? It's not as deep because I don't have like ones dangling, but you can literally see some of the white things. Like, I am really shocked. This is the other part of the mask that was in my nose. Like, there's no white stuff. Look at my nose, looks much better. My pores do look much better. Like, look it, I am shocked. The only thing it didn't get was the little breakout I'm having right here. I want to pop it so bad, like just, oh. But can you guys see? Doesn't my chin look clean? I am shocked. We have a lot to discuss, so let's talk about it. Yes, it is just a regular peel-off mask, but my pores actually look way better than some of the peel-off masks I have tried on this channel by said name brands. I am really surprised. I really wanted to drag this product, but I am going to drag it for the over exaggeration of the green color. However, y'all gonna say I got a fake product, so I'm just not gonna go. I'm gonna just leave it alone. But it's a really good mask. I honestly am not mad at it. It did what it said it was gonna do. It left my pores small. My skin is really, really smooth. My pores look clean, so I can't get mad at it. If you have very, very sensitive skin, this may irritate your skin. Certain parts of my skin are very sensitive, like the sides of my cheeks, like over here or jawline, are very, very sensitive, and right now they are highly irritated. So maybe I should have never put it all over my face, because honestly in the videos they just put it here and here, and you know, I always get excited every time we do like skincare products, so I just do it all over my face, never in sections. I get really excited. You guys don't understand. I mean, that would really make sense as to why they gave us such a small amount. Side note, I'm breaking out over here, girl. I should show you the breakout right now. It is bad. You see that breakout right here? Okay. I am just breaking out. So my best advice is to not do what I did and literally put it all over your face, or you will get highly irritated. So yeah, I mean, it makes sense, like here. Y'all know I have airheaded moments. I can't say blonde. Shout out to the blondes. The blondes, I love you. I just want to say that. With that being said, you guys, let me know, have you tried this mask? What do you think of it? I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.